Ms. Jackson, you have been charged with an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. There's going to be a magistrate's emergency order of protection, and there will be bond conditions. The bond's going to be set at $7,500. You're to have no contact with.
He lives in my house.
Okay, we're going to talk about that here in just a second. What this is, the magistrate's order for emergency protection, and this ordered on this July the 21st because this was an offense involving family violence. The court has issued this because it was alleged that the defendant used or exhibited a deadly weapon during the assault. The protected parties are and what you are prohibited from doing is committing any family violence against the person protected by this order. This will prohibit you from going within 500 yards of the residence, place of employment, or business of a protected person. That protected address is 803. A violation of this order may be punishable by a fine as much as $4,000 or confinement in jail for as long as 1 year or both. The court finds that a deadly weapon was used or exhibited during the commission of this offense involving family violence. Therefore, this order shall remain in full force and effect until November 19th of 2026.
So what am I gonna do? Because they live in my house.
Yes, ma'am. They also live in the house, and as a victim of family violence, they're going to be able to stay in that house, and for 121 days, you're not allowed to go there.
I gotta get my dogs and everything.
But you're going to have to call someone else to go over there. You're not allowed to be over there.
Well, where am I gonna live?
I don't know, ma'am.
Can I live next door in my other house?
No, ma'am. If it's within 500 yards of that house, you can't.
I don't know if it is or not.
Well, you can't go within 500 yards of that address. So are you going to sign that protective order down there?
I didn't assault anybody.
Okay. Well, what they allege is that you pulled a knife on your grandchild.
No, I didn't.
Okay. All right, Ms. Jackson. Do you have any other questions about any of that, ma'am?
No, I need to get my car and stuff so I can go to my doctor's appointments.
Okay. Well, you're probably going to need to call a third party and have them help you.
Okay, so how do I go about getting them out of my house?
Well, probably for the next 121 days, you're not going to be able to get them out of their house unless they leave voluntarily. But you can talk to an attorney about it.
All right. Can I go home when we get done with this?
There's a 4-hour hold, and then you'll be able to bond out, but you won't be able to go home.
I need my leg medicine really bad.
Yes, ma'am. Well, they're going to take care of you. There's a nurse there and a doctor that comes 3 times a week. They're going to help you out.
What am I feeling this helpful?
All right, Ms. Jackson, if I get you to just be quiet for a minute so I can talk to Ms. Wilson and let her hear her rights.